Good evening. My name is Kamlakar Tak. I look after the plant operations of Ring Plus Aqua. So Ring Plus Aqua is a part of Raymond's business. So first of all, thank you so much for this honor. And let me congratulate the Suprabha team for organizing this event in Nasik. This is your first event, and I look forward such events from your company. And I'm sure Nasik is industrial belt which is increasing, and I'm sure you will get a lot of business going forward. So talking about Suprabha, I think we have started business with Suprabha 2 decades back, and that time I was a buyer, and I still remember that there were a lot of interactions from their technical side to really establish the product. That was the beauty of Suprabha, and which they have maintained as of now, and they are becoming a part of a solution to the problems of customers. See, nowadays you will come across many people who will come up with many products, packaging products, but when it comes to value addition, so you will find a few suppliers which add value, which treat the problem as their problem, and try to give a cost-effective solution. So I'm sure here the team members must be from procurement and from engineering. So the procurement job is to get the products as low as the cost should be as low as possible. Whereas the technical guy will always say that I don't want any hassle at my customer end. And friends, let me tell you that in today's era, the packaging material is becoming extremely sensitive. So even customers, if people from auto component sector, so these OEMs are so stringent nowadays, so they won't accept a small, you can say, reddish mark, you can say that is a rust on your component, and you would never know what kind of debates they are going to impose on suppliers like us. So it is very important to get into a good company, a technically qualified company who understand what is rust and what are the measures to arrest all these rusts. So let me tell you, I came across Suprabha, and last 2 decades when a company like us, which is 100% we are supplying to OEMs, and our products are niche products where the starter ring gear, flex plate and bearings directly goes to OEMs where we are using their product. So thank you so much for your services to our company and this Nasik belt. And another thing what I can say about Suprabha, so when Parth met me and Anwar met me that day, so I had few interactions with them. So what I understand while going through their brochure, so I understand that I still remember those days where what is VCI? That was the first question. So what is VCI? So polyethylene का bag है यार, सिर्फ वो VCI क्या है? Polyethylene का bag लगा दो, क्यों cost बढ़ा रहे? That was still I remember those days, maybe 20 years back. But now they started with, see the diversification of their products, and what I understand now, hazardous chemicals, they are offering some solutions, a different competitive solution for that. Now they are into rust preventive oils. Also that day I understand that they are completely offering you a packaging solution. So you just leave it to them, they will take care of your packaging. So I had one question to Anwar. Now suppose there is a problem, maybe a transit damage or something like that. So how you are dealing that? So he explained me nicely that their initiative. So my good wishes to Suprabha for that. So this is how, friends, let's don't, we as a, you can say, employees to our companies, our job is to get a good product at a very, very competitive price. And we must see what is the cost per component rather than really looking at the price. So nowadays, as I said earlier, this packaging material will become stringent day by day. So nobody is going to, customers are becoming critical day by day. So let's take care of our product. So my compliments to Suprabha again. And with this note, I thank you again for Suprabha for this honor. So thank you so much.
Thank you.